Jules and welcome to Growing Guitar. Rod Wave Apply Pressure is the song we're gonna go through, and we're gonna apply some pressure here as well with the capo. We're gonna put that on the first fret, apply some pressures on the string that's set up, and we need to go over 3 chords as well. So that will be the E minor, G, and C. Pretty much is that chords we need. And we're gonna keep the bottom down there same throughout the song. Depending on what chord, we're gonna stick to that bottom, and we're gonna start with the E minor. All right, so that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, and third B, third E. We have the G next, and that will be to play third on E, second on A, open D, open G, and still third B, third E. And then we move these 2 fingers, the mid and index, 1 string down, the same grip to get the C chord, and that will be third on A, second on D, open G, third B, and third E. All right, so let's go into the strumming, and we're gonna start with E minor. So 1 string around will be down, up, up, up. A little bit different, but that is how it goes. So okay, so down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down. The first down, I would like to play a bit more on the bass strings to really mark out the chord, and then 3 ups that answer kind of. So that is how 1 round goes. So strumming down, up, up, up. Now we're gonna look at 3 different chord progression rounds, and it differs between these options here. You will be able to choose whatever you want to play from these 3. These 3 are the ones that goes around here in this song, and they are pretty irregular, so you can go back and forth between these 3 and choose whatever you want to. So the first chord progression round will be E minor, 1 string round, G, 1, and C2. That's it. So E, G, and C2. Again. Okay. The next one is very similar. It's E minor 1, G1, C1, and back to G1. So that's the only difference there. Instead of having C2, you have C1 and back to G1. So E, that's the second choice of yours. And the third and final will be to play E minor 1. Then you have 2 notes that replaces 1 string around. So the 2 notes will be on the 2nd fret E string, and then the 2nd fret A string. And that is kind of a bass going on there, a transition notes. That replaces 1 string around. So after these 2 notes, you're gonna play C1 and G1. All right. So E minor 1, the 2 notes F, E and A, and then you're gonna go to C1 and G1 like this. I said F there because that is the actual note, the F sharp note, and this is the B note. They're found on the 2nd fret E string and 2nd fret A string. So F, B when it comes to the notes, and then you have the C. E minor, F, B, and. All right, so that's this final choice of yours to play when it comes to handle Apply Pressure from Rod Wave. So give it a try. Very easy to play if you just go with one of these chord progressions or you mix it up. It's your choice. Good luck with this one, guys. Until next time, play tuned.